Hi, I'm Jeff from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. Today we're going to look at all the Ford car deals and leasing offers this month. Be sure to hit subscribe to get early access to the latest car deals across all car brands every month. Here are the Ford Cashback deals for January 2020. The 2019 Edge has $4,000 cash back. The 2019 Fiesta and Flex each have $3,000 cash back. The 2019 Mustang has $2,750 cash back. The 2019 Expedition and 2020 Explorer both have $2,000 cash back. The 2020 F-150 has $1,750 cash back. The 2019 Ranger and EcoSport have $1,250 cash back, and the 2019 F-150 have $750 cash back. The 2019 Escape and Fusion, as well as the 2020 Edge and Fusion Energy, each have $500 cash back. Here are the Ford leasing deals for January 2020. The 2019 EcoSport has a rate of $218 per month with $1,788 due at signing. The 2019 Fusion has a rate of $239 per month with $2,623 due at signing. 2019 Flex has a rate of $276 per month with $34.43 due at signing. And the 2020 Edge has a rate of $316 per month with $35.36 due at signing. The 2020 Explorer has a rate of $324 per month with $4,111 due at signing. Here are this month's Ford financing deals. The 2019 Fiesta has 0% APR for 60 months. The 2019 Fusion and Escape each have 0% APR with $1,000 cash back. The 2019 Edge has 0% APR with $3,000 cash back. And the 2019 Expedition has 0% APR for $1,250 cash back. The 2019 F-150 has 0.9% APR, which comes with $2,500 cash back. And the 2019 Ranger and Mustang each have 1.9% APR. The 2020 Fusion Energy and Fusion Hybrid each have 1.9% APR and $750 cash back. And the 2019 Flex has 1.9% APR with $2,000 cash back. Now, if you want to see the full list of all manufacturer deals this month, look below this video for the link. And it's important to remember that an incentive doesn't mean the lowest car price. To truly get the best deal, get prices from several car dealers at once on FindTheBestCarPrice.com. You'll find that dealers will give you even better deals when they need to win your business from their competitors. And be sure to hit the subscribe button to be the first to hear about next month's car deals.